AW Chesterton has provided manufacturers with equipment reliability solutions since 1884. Now you can find and download 3D CAD files of their popular products all right from the website. From the homepage, go to Resources and select 2D and 3D CAD files. Scroll down to the Configurator window, then select the options below to find your preferred product. Use the drop-down and selection tools on the left to customize the product to meet your design needs. Meanwhile, the configurator generates a 3D preview of the product. As you adjust the dimensions, the configurator will automatically update your product number and generate a new preview. The window on the right offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details of the product you configured. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a custom PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to chesterton.com and visit 3dfindit.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.